All right, had to come back to the shop, got caught up in the rain. Just added these little spoke things here. We're still on that Sotion motor, still with the controller. Dirty as hell right now. But we've got the far driver 72680 that just arrived last week. It's the harness, the Bluetooth dongle, and here it goes. Big sucker. We're gonna be running all of this on a stock battery. So if you've been watching my channel, you know we have been working on trying to become the most efficient Surron on the road. I live 13 miles, almost 15 miles from the shop, and I used up a bit of battery.